What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Wingstop Poppy, and we are back to another sneaker unboxing. Now today's unboxing, kind of a special one because this is actually going to be my first ever pair of Asics, and I'm super excited about it because it's always cool to find new brands or get a new brand in your hand. You get to try it out, and also going outside the box because I know, just like me, and just like I see every day on social media, everyone is complaining about the sneakers app and taking L's. And you know what? Sometimes you just got to separate yourself from that and find your own lane. Trust me, I still take L's too, but I think it's important to broaden your horizons because there's a lot of good shoes out there that a lot of people don't know about, like these that I'm about to show to you guys, that are still sitting out there and they're dope shoes. And you kind of, like I said, you kind of just got to expand your horizons. But anyways, before we get into this video, please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram down below. The link for my Instagram will be in the description because I will be throwing these on ASAP because I cannot wait to get a fit off in these. Because these shoes are absolutely beautiful, and you guys will see that in a minute because, as always, we have to talk about the box. So as you can see by the box and the title of this video, this is the Asics Angelo Barque collaboration. Now, for those who don't know, Angelo Barque is the founder of Awake New York. And Awake New York is a streetwear brand in New York. And they've also had a few collaborations with Asics in the past. I believe they had 2 collaborations, one that dropped last year and one that dropped the year before. I'm not 100% sure because I'm not like an expert on Awake New York or Asics collaborations for that matter. But those are the only 2 I know of. And also, Angelo Barque was also one of the head designers at Supreme in 2015. So that's really where he got his rise to fame with Supreme. And yeah, that's just a little backstory on Angelo Barque for those who are wondering why this guy named Angelo Barque was able to get an Asics collaboration. Anyways, moving on to our size label, we got the Gel Kayano 14, black for the colorway, and US size 10. And also I have to show off the paper because we do have Angelo Barque Asics paper. No other extras in the box. But I will say, I'm not sure if all Asics come in this style of box because this is my first ever Asics, like I mentioned. But this is a very nice box, very sturdy. And New Balance, I love you guys. I know no one from New Balance is watching this, but this is how sturdy your boxes should be. And especially if I pay 150 bucks or more for a shoe, I expect all shoes to come in this sturdy of a box. So shout out Asics for that. But anyways, enough of the box. Let's get into these shoes. And here they are, the Asics Gel Kayano 14 in collaboration with Angelo Barque. And right off the bat, you guys can see these are popping in person with the beautiful colors. And right off the bat, the colors on this shoe are inspired by the Ecuador flag. I believe Angelo is either from Ecuador himself or his family is from Ecuador. And I know this because on his Instagram, he was teasing this shoe, and in all the captions, he included the Ecuador flag. So I kind of put 2 and 2 together. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not an expert, like I mentioned, on Angelo Barque or Asics. I just really like this shoe, and that's why I decided to pick this up. But anyways, this is the Asics Gel Kayano 14. And by my knowledge, this shoe originally released, not in this colorway, but the Kayano 14, originally released in 2008. And I believe it became like a fan favorite because Asics brought it back this year for a reason. And to be completely honest with you guys, I saw these on Instagram. I don't know how I saw them exactly, this particular colorway or the Kayano 14, but I saw someone wearing them and I was just generally curious. So I went to Asics' website and looked up the Gel Kayano 14. I almost bought a general release pair because they do have general release pairs on the website, which I will link if you guys are curious, if you guys like this model but don't like this colorway. And I just never pulled the trigger. And then I was scrolling Instagram and I forgot who shared these. Someone I follow shared these. And I was like, yo, what are those? Because like I said, I like this model of shoe, but then I saw this colorway and I was like, I had to have these. And then I saw it was Angelo Barque who shared the post. I knew he was the creator, or he was the founder of Awake New York. So I figured that this was going to be an Awake New York collaboration, but it's just an Angelo Barque Asics collaboration. And they actually dropped on Angelo Barque's website, and I was able to cop pretty easily. The only complaint I do have was that the shipping took forever. I ordered these on July 30th and I just got them today, which is August 15th or 16th. Wait, today's August 17th. I don't know, whatever. I got them like 3 weeks or 2 weeks later. But anyways, just a little backstory on why I decided to purchase this shoe, because like I said, it's my first ever Asics. But yes, the shoe is very fire in person. Honestly, it reminds me of the New Balance 990 and the styling. The upper is composed of mesh, synthetic plastic, and also synthetic fiber. And we have this rubber sole. Now, my favorite part of the shoe, besides the upper with all these colors, is this outsole. And this outsole is absolutely fire how they did this. I just love like this blue and silver part, how like it's just translucent. Absolutely love the outsole. Also, this shoe is equipped with the Asics gel technology, which is Asics signature cushioning in their running shoes. And it also has Ortholite technology too. And I've been wearing these shoes around the house and they are super comfortable. Granted, I do not wear these outside, so I'm not 100% sure if they're going to be like super like Adidas Boost comfortable. But when I was wearing them around the house, they really reminded me of the New Balance 990. Super comfortable out of the box. Now, as for sizing, I went with a size 10 because I was reading some forums and people said the toe gap or the toe area was super roomy, which is true. And to be honest, they kind of do fit like a New Balance 990. Besides, they are very snug, or I should say they're more narrow than the 990s in the midfoot. So for my sizing recommendation, if you have standard narrow width feet, I would go down half a size. But if you have like wider feet, either go true to size or you might want to go half size up. If you have super wide feet, you might want to go half size up because like I said, this area is really tight. But I would recommend seeing if you could like try these on. I don't know what stores sell them, but I know they're sitting on asics.com. So if you could try them on, that'd be my best recommendation. But if you have standard normal width feet, I'd go down half a size and you should be A-okay. Or if you have any like New Balance 990s or like any like New Balance USAs, I would just go with your standard New Balance USA sizing. But anyways, getting back into the shoe, we got Asics branding on the tongue. We have a mesh tongue. So one complaint I did notice is that we didn't get extra laces. As you can see, they just came with white laces. I would have appreciated some other laces. And usually with collaborations, I feel like most brands give you like an extra set of laces. So I was kind of disappointed in that. These did retail for $150, by the way. The standard gel Kayanos, the regular GRs, they retail for $140. So they did charge us $10 more. So not too big of a price jump, you know. So no complaints there. But yeah, these are super fire. And like I mentioned, these are still sitting on certain websites. So I will link these down below. Highly recommend going to check these out if you are interested. You might be able to get these on sale if you wait around long enough. However, they might sell out. Who knows? But I'm pretty excited to try out Asics. I don't think these are going to turn me into an Asics junkie by any means. But I like trying out different brands, like I said. And it's also good to always step outside the box and kind of expand your horizons. Because like I stated in the video, it's inevitable how hyped some sneakers are, especially Jordan 1s and Dunks. And with all people trying to get those shoes, you're going to take L's and you're not going to be able to get every shoe. So you kind of got to either pay resell, or if you want to stay involved in sneakers, you got to find some other stuff. And there's definitely stuff that's sitting out there if you look hard enough and just expand your horizons. But I got to cut this video. I feel like I'm kind of going off on a rant. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this review and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.